हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू शेयर स्प्रिंकल्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? ओहो, माय नेल्स। आज मैंने सोचा है कि मैं नेल पॉलिश लगाऊंगी एंड आई गॉट दिस नेल पॉलिश फ्रॉम लोकल मार्केट. दिस इज़ चाइना ग्लेज एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ फ्रॉम द USA company and I really like the quality. And actually I got this one from the suggestion from one of my friend that this company's nail polishes are good. So I thought I should try one of them, and this is one of the color I didn't had. This is the grayish color, and I will tell you that this is one of kind of shiny nail polish, but because I don't like the shine on my nails, so oh my god, see, I spilled one of them. It's okay, let's clean the area and continue with the right hand. So I will tell you that how I just fade my nail polish shine with one of the beauty hack, and do continue with me. And so what I do, I just boil the water in the kettle and then I just give steam to my nails to have a nice nude shade of any kind of nail polishes you have. Even you can do with this black one also, you can do with the red one to fade the shine. I did with the one hand, that is the left one, and so I think I'm gonna do this with the right hand also. And so come to the point that I was telling you that how we can know that when our cosmetics are expiring. So this is one of kind. It is mentioned on the nail polishes, and it is mentioned on every product when we are buying a quality product. Sometimes we have expiry date, but sometimes we don't have it. So what is the other trick? So stay tuned, I will tell you in a while, and I'm going to give you a review of one of the product, and I will tell you that how we can check the expiry. So today I want to give review on this Rimmel London value pack I recently bought. This has three things. One is mascara, which is volume mascara, and another one is the kohl pencil, which is black in color, and this one is the brown pencil we can use for eyebrows. And the best thing I like about this packet is this has all the description we all are looking for when we are buying cosmetics. And see, this is dark brown color, this is black, and this is volume mascara. So why I bought this one, I was thinking that maybe I'm feeling that the one I'm using already has gone expired. So I thought I should change some of my cosmetics, because I thought recently I have developed eyelid dermatitis. So this is what happened. I got swelled eyes, my eyelid were scaly, they were dry, so many wrinkles. Anyways, I got contact with the dermatologist, and this is what happened next. And it was suspected this could be one of the cause, so I thought I should change this one. And recently I realized when my cosmetics are expiring. So let me tell you how we can understand the product when it is actually expiring. So there is a trick we need to understand. This is the black one, and let's check the color. Oh wow, it's amazing. The smoothness, the darkness, and this is the brown one. This is also nice. I have a darker eyebrow, so this will go perfect with my eyebrows. And let's see if it is smudged. Nice, very nice. It is not smudging as other products, so it is highly recommended. And so this is something I was talking about. Let me focus and zoom in a little bit. See, so this thing is going to tell us when it is going to expire. So it's written that I can use this pencil for 30 months. This sign actually shows that when we are opening the product, after that, for how many months I can use this one. So this says 30 months. And what about this? Here you can see this is also says 30 months. I can read it clearly, but maybe for you it's a little bit difficult. And for mascara also, I can use it for 12 months. So I think this is one of the good thing when we buy for the quality products, and this is how we can understand that how our products are expiring and when we should stop using them. Because I have recently experienced very bad eyelid dermatitis, and this could be one of the cause. I'm not saying my products were not in the duration, but this had made me to explore the thing when our products are expiring. And you should also check your cosmetics and do let me know that did you find it helpful or not. And see you in the next video. Bye, take care.